once again, continuation can show. So here, the anatomy, no, atong gidaan siya sa anatomy, no, here from the book. Again, so here, again, more gini to management, no, the Bible, then hot packs and tens, dilution alcohol, then the weights, the gasoline, and the muscles, then puzzle sa brain, no, by which are we the cardio exercises, there you are, no. Again, all cases, no. So here, again, to, mamaliw ko to ha, ko po to. Inahalan to, no. Ito ipakita. Here, again.
Dito sila nagnindot, nag-away, kaayo.
So everything is about blood circulation, no? Again.
Tapos sumumat siguro pagkabuntag si Ate P. Ay, kana, si Sally, nag-away kami sa itong gabi, kana Ate Judith. Siguro nag-away, siguro. Kaya nag-away kami kay katugani na pagkaon. Basta kayo, inuritan pa ni Ate Judith siguro si Ate P. Kaya wala na nag-result. Kanin Sally. Nagturutin o kay Sally.
This is right stroke, yeah? Then 1 year, 2 months lagi. Treated every day. But why? No? So here, it's improving. Again. So here, ipakita, no? So, again, just follow this one yan. Nakanginging case, no? Again, ni-recover again, no? So here, the color of the skin, no? By which nga, ang yung blood, no, makaabot naman diri, by which katong Arwin argument, no, the stress test machine. So here, no, on the hand, this is our 23 treatment sessions. Here you are, no. First treatment, di na siya ka-move, no. Again, mula ginan, together with the support of the family and the nurse and the caregiver, no, and then the prayer, we can make things change, no. So again, ato pag hindi ko lang si Cho, no, tuwa dito sa bongbong niya. For which our goal, no, nga makaabot siya og 20 minutes. When we just see, no, na katong yung peg, no, nga, ayaw siguro kay by which lagi, in the intestines wall, is about blood stream, no, blood, no, which it's all recover ginitanan by which lagi, no, wapay taong patay, gibuhi sa tao, so na Ginoo, together with our prayer, and pagpadingkamot ni Cho, ayaw gid, no, again, so here, atrophy, balik, again. So here's about 23 treatment sessions. Thank you.